Two people can earn the same salary, live in the same city, and start with the same opportunities, yet one becomes a millionaire while the other stays broke.
Broke people spend first and save whatever is left. Millionaires save and invest first, then spend what's left.
Broke people ask, "Can I afford this?" Millionaires ask, "How can this make me money?"
Broke people trade hours for dollars. Millionaires build businesses and investments that continue paying them.
When they have free time, broke people seek entertainment. Millionaires use some of that time to learn valuable skills. Broke people use debt to buy things that lose value. Millionaires acquire assets that generate income.
Broke people surround themselves with excuses. Millionaires surround themselves with opportunities and growth.
Broke people chase instant gratification. Millionaires play the long game and let time compound their wealth. The shocking difference isn't income, it isn't luck, it's habits. Change your habits, and you can change your future.